Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the rest of the chapters of Kalpasthana. First one is Vatsaka Kalpa. The synonyms of Vatsaka are Kutaja, Shakra, Brikshaka, Girimalika. Its seeds are called as Indrayava and Kalingaka. Vatsaka cures Raktapitta and Kapha and it is useful for the patient suffering from Hridroga, Jwara, Vadarakta and Visarpa. There are 18 yogas of Vatsaka. The shloka is Kashayir Navachurnaischa Pangjokta Salilaistrayah Ekascha Krisharayam Syat Yogas Te Ashtadasha Smritaha. Kashaya yogas are 9, Churna 5, along with Jala 3, along with Krishara 1. Total 18 yogas. Let us discuss the Kashaya yogas. There are 9 Kashaya yogas. Vatsaka phala is collected in suitable kala and it is dried and made into churna. Take 1 mushti of this churna and it is added along with either of kashayas of yashti madhu, kovidara, etc. and keep it soaked for 1 night. Then this should be stirred and filtered. Add madhu and saindhava to this and drink this kashaya. It is an excellent vamaka dravya for pitta and kapha elimination. Churna yogas are 5 in number. Vatsaka Phala Churna is done bhavana with Arka Kshira for 8 days. 1 Panitala, that is 1 Karsha of this is taken along with Kashaya of Jivaka. Similarly, Madanaphala, Jimutaka, Ikshwaku, Jivanti, etc. Kashayas separately can also be used along with the Churna. Along with the Jala, there are 3 yogas. Vatsaka Churna is taken along with Jala mixed with Churnas of Sarshapa, Madhuka or Saindhava. There is 1 Krishara yoga. Vatsaka Churna is added to Krishara and administered for Vamana. The 6th chapter is Kritavedana Kalpa. Its synonyms are Kshveda, Koshataki and Mridangaphala. It is Atyartha Katu, Tikshna, Ushna and Gadha. It is useful in Gadha Gathas, that is deep-seated diseases like Kushta, Pandu, Pliha, Shofa, Gulma and Gara. There are 60 yogas of Kritavedana and the shloka is Kshire Dvau Sura Chaika Kvadha Dvavimshadistadha Dasha Picha Ghritam Chaikam Shatcha Vartikriya Shubha Lehe Ashto Sapta Mamse Cha Yoga Ikshurase Aparaha Kritavedana Kalpe Asmin Shashtir Yoga Prakirtita. There are 4 Kshira yogas, 1 Sura yoga, 22 Kvadha yogas, 10 Picha yogas, 1 Ghrita yoga, 6 Varti yogas, 8 Leha yogas, 7 Mamsarasa yogas and 1 Ikshurasa yoga. The 4 Kshira yogas and 1 Sura yoga is same as that of Jimutaka yoga. There are 22 Kashaya yogas. Along with Kovidaradis, there are 9 yogas. The next 13 are Kritavedana Churna is done bhavana with any one of the Kashayas like Aragvadha, Vrikshaka, Padha, Patala, Shargeshta, Murva, Shataparna, Naktamala, Pijumarta, Patola, Sushavi and Guduji. Picha yogas are 10 in number. Kritavedana Churna should be added with Mula Churnas of one of the 10 drugs like Shalmali, Shalmalaka, Bhadraparni, Elaparni, Ubodhika, Uddala, Dhanvana, Rajadana and Gopi. The churnas of these drugs will become slimy when mixed with water. These 10 drugs should be used for Vamana. The 6 Vartikriyas are same like that of Madanaphala Vartikriya. Leha yogas are 8 in number. 50 Kritavedana phalas are cooked by adding Kovidara rasa. This should be added with kalkas of Madanadis and cooked again. Make this into a leha. To this kashaya, 1 part of the kalka of Kshveda or Kritavedana should be added and this should be 1/4 of the kashaya. Then add half part of the kalka of each of Madanaphala, Jimutaka, Ikshwaku, Dhamargava and Kutacha and this should be added before cooking. Similarly, the leha recipes are to be prepared separately with the kashayas of Kovidara, Karbudara, Nipa, Vidula, Bimbi, Shanapushpi, Sadapushpi or Pratyakpushpi. Mamsarasa yogas are 7 in number. To the kashayas of Madanadis, that is 6 drugs Madanaphala, Jimutaka, Ikshwaku, Dhamargava, Kutacha or Kritavedana, add equal quantities of Anupa Mamsa and cook this and administer along with Saindhava. Similarly, with the kashaya of Koshataki or Kritavedana, add Anupa Mamsa, cook it, and this Mamsa Rasa should be administered for Vamana. And the one Ikshurasa yoga is Kritavedana Churna should be boiled by adding with Ikshurasa and administered for Vamana to the patient suffering from Kasa. The seventh chapter is Shyama Trivrat Kalpa. According to wise physicians, the Trivrat Mula is the best among the purgatives. Its synonyms are Tribhandi, Trivrata, Shyama, Kutarana, and Suvaha. Trivrat is having Kashaya and Madhura Rasa, Ruksha and Katu Vipaka. It causes Kapha and Pitta Prashamana. Because of its Rukshata, it is Vata Prakopaka. However, when Vata, Pitta and Kaphahara Aushadas are added to it in a recipe, then it becomes Sarva Rokahara. Its varieties, its Mula are of two types. One is having Shyama Varna and the other is having Aruna Varna. Aruna Varna Yukta Trivrat Mula is more useful. It is useful as a Virechaka Dravya for Sukumara, Shishu, Vriddha or Mridu Koshta patients. Shyama variety, due to its Ashukaritva, it causes Moha, Kshina, Murcha, etc. Due to its Tikshnatva, it causes Karshana in Hrit, Kanta, etc. It eliminates Bahudosha from the body, so it is useful for patients having Krura Koshta. Its method of collection, Trivrat Mula growing from good soil should be taken uprooted in bright half of lunar month by an abhukta person wearing Shukla Vasa and who has concentration of mind. Slakshna and Atiryak Visrita Mula should be collected, that is, not spreading sideways. By splitting these Mulas, pith should be removed and bark is taken, dried and stored. Preparatory measures. Person after Snehana and Svedana is given Peya as Ahara in previous night. This is for Virechana in the next morning. There are 110 Trivrat yogas. They are with Amla Rasas 9, with Saindhava 12, Gomutra 18, Yashti Madhu 2, Jivaka 14, Kshira 7, Leha 8, Sharkara 4, Panaka 5. In Shad Ritus 6, with Modaka 5, Ghrita or medicated Shira 4, Churna 1, Tarpana 1, Madhya 2, Kanjika 2 and Shadava 10. The 9 Amla Rasa yogas are 1 Aksha, that is 12 grams of the pinda of either of the two varieties of Trivrat should be mixed with Kanjika and taken by a person for Virechana. Similarly, Go, Aja, Avi, Mahisha Mutra or Saviraka, Tushodaka, Prasanna, Trifla Kashaya should be separately used. With Saindhava 12 yogas, 2 parts of the Trivrat Mula Churna should be mixed with the Churna of 1 part of either of the 12 drugs, that is Saindhava, Sauvarchala, Kala, Vida, Pakya, Anupa, Kopya, Valukaja, Molaka, Samudra, Romaka or Audbhita. These recipes should be taken along with the Churna of Nagara for Virechana. With Gomutra 18 yogas, 1 part of the Churna of Trivrat Mula should be added with half part of the Churna of either of Pippali, Pippali Mula, Gaja Pippali, Maricha, Rajani, Bharangi, Sringavera, Swarnakshiri, Haimavati, Chitraka, Patya, Vacha, Tejovati, Ajamota, Sarala, Kilima, Hingu or Musta. Each one of this should be taken along with Gomutra for Virechana. With Yashti Madhu, there is 1 yoga. That is 1 part of Trivrat Churna should be added with a half part of Yashti Madhu, and this should be taken with the Sharkarambu for Virechana. With Jivakatis, there are 14 yogas. The Trivrat Churna should be taken along with the Churnas of either of Jivaka, Rishabhaka, Medha, Shravani or Mundi, Karkataka Shrinki, Mudgaparni, Mashaparni, Mahashravani, Kakoli, Kshira Kakoli, Indra or Kokilaksha, Chinnaruha, Kshira Shukla or Kshira Vidari, or Payasya or Arkapushpi. There are 7 Kshira yogas. 1 part of Trivrat Churna should be added with half part of Haritaki Churna and should be taken along with either of Shira, Mamsa, Ikshurasa, Kashmiri Kashaya, Draksha Rasa, Pilu Rasa or Grita. There are 8 Leha yogas. First one is Trivrat Churna should be added with Madhu and Grida and taken along with Sitopala. The second one is the Churna of Ajamoda, Tugakshiri, Vidari, Sharkara and Trivrat should be added with Madhu as well as Grida. Intake of this Leha is useful as a mild Virejaka for the patient suffering from Sannipataka Jwara, Stambha, Daha and Trishna. The third one is with the Kashaya and Kalka of Shyama Trivrat, a Leha should be prepared according to the procedure by adding Sharkara. One Panitala of this Leha should be taken for Virechana. The fourth recipe is Sharkara should be boiled with Kshaudra in a new earthen pot. After it is cooked and cooled, the Trivrat Churna along with the Twak, Patra and Maricha should be added. This Leha should be taken in appropriate dose. The fifth Leha yoga is half pala Sitavapala, half Kudava Madhu and 1 Kudava each of Ikshu, Draksha, Pilu and Parushaka. These should be cooked and cooled. Then add Trivrat Churna and this should be taken as a Virechaka Dravya. The seventh Leha yoga, juice of Madhulunga, Dadima, Dhatri, Sriparni, Kola and Abhaya should be cooked in Taila by adding pulp of Sahakara, that is mango, Madhulunga and Kabita. When it becomes thick, add Trivrat Mula Churna along with the churnas of Twak, Patra, Keshara and Ela. This should be taken along with the Madhu. Along with the Sharkara, there are 4 yogas. They are Sharkara Modaka, Sharkara Varti, Sharkara Gulika, Sharkara Mamsa Pupaka. These are useful in Pittaja Vikaras. There are 5 Panakadi yogas. They are Panaka, Rasa, Yusha, Modaka, Raga and Shadava. These are used for aggravated kapha. The one Tarpana yoga is 1 part of Bhranga, then 1 part of Ela, 2 parts of Neeli, 3 parts of Trivrat and 7 parts of Sharkara should be added with the juice of Dadima, Madhu and Saktu. These are useful for Vata, Pitta and Kaphaja Vikaras and in Agni Mandya. There are 5 Modaka yogas. A Modaka should be prepared of Sharkara, Triphala, Shyama Trivrat, Pipali and Madhu. Intake of this cures Sannipataja Rogas, Urdhvaka Raktapita and Jwara. Kalyanaka Kuda is one important Modaka yoga. Next we will discuss Ritu Trivrat yogas. In Varsha Ritu, Trivrat Churna, Kutacha Bija, Pipali, Shundi should be mixed with Madhu and Draksha Rasa. In Sharat Ritu, Trivrat, Duralabha, Musta, Sharkara, Udija, Chandana, Ishti Madhu and Satala should be taken along with Draksha Rasa. In Hemanta Ritu, Trivrat Churna, Chitraka, Pata, Ajaji, Sarala, Vacha and Swarnakshiri should be taken along with Ushna Jala. In Grishma Kala for Virechana, Sharkara should be added with equal quantity of Trivrat. For all seasons, Trivrat, Trayanti, Habusha, Satala, Katurohini and Swarnakshiri should be made into Churna and done Bhavana with Gomutra for 3 days. There are 3 Krita yogas and 1 Kshira yoga. The 3 Krita yogas are Krita should be boiled with equal quantities of Amalaki, Swarasa and Trivrat Kalka and this cures Gulma. The second one is Shyama Trivrat Mula and Aruna Trivrat should be cooked by adding Amalaki and with this Kashaya cook the Krita. This should be used for Virechana. The third one is Shyama Trivrat Kashaya and Aruna Trivrat should be cooked by adding Grita. And fourth one, that is 1 Kshira yoga is Kshira should be boiled with Shyama and Aruna Trivrat and it is also used for Virechana. There are 2 Madhya yogas. First one is 8 fists full of Trivrat should be cooked in 1 Drona Jala till 1/4 of liquid remains. Strain this Kashaya. Add 1 Tula of Guda, Madhu, Pipali, Madaramfala and Chitraka. Keep it in a unctuous vessel inside of which is coated with the madhu for 1 month. After fermentation, take in appropriate dose and this cures Grahani, Pandu, Gulma and Shwayatu. The second Madhya Yoga is Trivrat Kashaya is made into sura by adding quinoa, that is yeast. This is also a virejaka. Kanji, 2 yogas are there. The yava should be steam boiled with Shyama and Aruna Trivrat Kashaya, and this is called as Kulmasha, that is steam boiled yava. This should be added with jala and kept for fermentation for 6 days in a vessel covered with a heap of grains, and use this saviraka for virejana. The second one kanji recipe is unhusked and clean grains of yava should be roasted with the trivrat churna, and this should be added with jala and kept for fermentation. This tushodaka is used also for virejana. There are 10 Shadavadi yogas, and they are with Bedara Shadava, Raga, Leha, Modaka, Utkarika, Tarpana, Panaka, Mamsarasa, Yusha, and Madhya. This is also used for Virejana. Thank you for watching.